Guys, this is Andrea, and today I'm going to do a quick little cloud setup video. I'm not setting up my cloud in this video. I honestly, I haven't done a planner, a TN or rings setup video, where I actually set up a planner in so long. Because if you've ever set up a rings planner or a tan planner, it is the most time consuming, difficult thought process type thing that I've ever done, and I don't like doing it on camera just because it makes it about 30 times harder. So this is already set up, but I'm just going to do a quick little walkthrough of it. This is an Estelle Cloud Planner in Pearl. So it has that gorgeous metallic almost sheen to it, and it is gorgeous with gold hardware. So I'm going to go through and just show you guys what I have in this setup. It is currently on the tightest button here. And this is what she looks like. I love that. I think it's so cute. This is the pen I use in my planner. It is a Energel Clena, C-L-E-N-A in 0.3. And I could put this over here, but I just use it for other things too, like writing notes. So I need it for more than just in my planner. So let's start from this side, and I will work my way over. So in this kind of area, it's all decorative, non-functional items. So I just decorated it just kind of however I wanted it, and I did decorate with sparkly gold and sparkly hollow, or gold and hollow, however you want to look at it. But up here on the top, I have this little die cut thing, journaling card from Jasenia. A lot of this stuff is from Jasenia, gifted items that are not available for purchase. This one says stop talking. I have this little heart here from Fox and Pip that just has an A on it. I have this pen from Jasenia that says you're pretty. And then in here I do have this acetate here is from, I believe, Sparkly Paper Co. in a collab with Fox and Pip, and I use that over here, as well as I just cut it out like so. I made a little overlay, and then I have a Fox and Pip sticker sheet behind that as well that she sent me. Then I have a script sampler from my shop that's in Sparkly Hollow, as well as just a piece of paper. This paper is actually from our 6-year bundle, which I don't think at this point in time you guys have seen yet, but it's really cute, and you're going to want to pick it up because I think it's going to work in every single cloud color. Then I also have another sticker sheet from Fox and Pip. I really liked all of her stuff that she sent me that was cloud related. And then a sparkly gold. This is, I believe, is it Champagne Lights? It's the one I've been using quite a bit, but I have that in there as well as decoration. I have this washi card from Jasenia, as well as this little bookmark from Fox and Pip that I cut down that says this planner belongs to Andrea. And then I have a piece of this, which this is from, I got a lot of questions about this. This is from Michael's, and you can just buy it in a sheet form. And I just cut out a little piece of it to stick in here to kind of tie it in. And then this bow here, I did put, let me show you. This looks so bad. I just taped a bunch of papers together just to make it super thick, and I just slid this card then in here, and it kind of makes it really stable, and you don't have to see the metal clip hanging down. And this is from, I'm not totally sure. I feel like I don't remember, but if I remember, I'll put it down below. And then I have in here just this little munchkin bear peeking out. I thought it was really cute. I have a piece of vellum from a 100 million box from a long time ago. I don't think she sells it anymore, but I'll show you it better over here. Down here, I do have some charms. So what I did here, a lot of people were very confused on Instagram as to what I did here. So I have some Carolyn designed charms, as well as just this from Fox and Pip. So what I did is I just cut let's say this was a full charm. I just cut the little knot off, and then I strung it through the planner, and then I reattached the larger charm, and then I just tied a knot. So I kind of made it the size that I wanted it to. This was I think this might have been Disney related, but I just put the little A in here from Fox and Pip because I thought it was cute. And then this one is a Louis inspired hollow. It reminds me of the Virgil collection, which is super cute. But I just put those down there just because I thought they were adorable. Over here I have my inserts. I don't have much in the back. I just have another piece of that paper there. Like I said, have this acetate from Sparkly Paper Co. and Sparkly Hollow. Then I have a piece of plain acetate with a vinyl with my name on it. I don't remember who this vinyl is from. but because I have so many of them and I can't keep track based on like the handwriting. But I have that on acetate because I always put like things like this on acetate because maybe I want to use this in another setup, but I don't want to put it directly on this because maybe I won't want to use these together. So I just have a massive layering thing. And then I have that piece of vellum, like I said, it's Rainbow Gradient from Wonton in a Million. I don't think she has any more of these available. And then I also have this piece of paper, which is again from the 6-year bundle, and that is the other side. The 6-year bundle is so fire. And then I just put some cloud stickers from Fox and Pip on there so you could kind of see those through. And then on the back here is my like insert. So this has my Oracell cloud inserts. I have some more Fox and Pip stickers, and I like to, in my Erin Condren, I did this too, just kind of decorate with larger vinyls, and I'm kind of trying to keep it like an aesthetic, you know, gold and the like sparkly hollow. And these are from Fox and Pip, and then this one's from Sparkly Paper Co. And my camera cut me off, but like I said, I have these stickers here from Fox and Pip. I have these two from Sparkly Paper Co. And then this one is a vinyl from Once More With Love. It is so cute. I have other vinyls that I know I want to put in here, and I just think it looks adorable. And then I have my inserts that I use, which I get a lot of questions quite often on what inserts I use, which I will leave them linked down below. And these are from Estelle, and these are just her cloud inserts, and they are amazing. So I'm able to use my like Erin Condren sized kits. I feel like they're not even Erin Condren size anymore. They're just like 1.5 wide kits, and I just love them so much. This is what I've been doing Plan With Me starting the first week of January of this year, and I have been loving every second of it. So that is the inserts that I use, and I just have a bunch of them in here, and I will add more as I need them. But I think that I'll probably leave this as my setup for the year. I might add a couple of things to it, obviously add some stickers, but I think I'm going to leave this in here, and then whenever I'm done with the year, I'll probably just leave it all in here and call it a day, and this will be like my setup. And I think it's going to be a good one, and I really like it. I think it kind of goes with my like vibe for the year, so I'm really hyped about it. I don't know which one I'm going to use next year because I know some colors just coming out with, and it's going to be really hard to decide. So that is like my cloud setup. I hope that you guys like this video. This is my baby, and I wanted to show her to you, and I hope you guys liked it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.